in the county where the tall pines sway. We don't reckon much with what the bigwigs say. Promises broken, nonsense every day, but we hold on strong to our own way. Fields of potatoes and the snow so deep, talk of changes that they never keep. We've heard it all and it cuts us steep, but we got each other and that's how we sleep. Truck that we ain't buying what they're selling, up here in the county where the truth's always telling. Love binds us stronger than the cold. We're living our own story and it's one of old. Friday night on fire like friends all around. Politicians talk but they can't pin us down. We let them chatter, we're county bound, where the heart is real on solid ground. City folks say we should change our ways, but we're digging in deeper, count our days. Old bars, church bells, and the homegrown haze. This is life's rhythm, come what may. Truck that we ain't buying what they're selling, up here in the county where the truth's always telling. Love binds us stronger than the cold. We're living our own story and it's one of old. Truck that we ain't buying what they're selling, up here in the county where the truth's always telling. Love binds us stronger than the cold. We're living our own story and it's one of old. Truck that, whoa, Friday night, bonfire light, friends all around.